Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of missing out on cashback while shopping online, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to install the Rakuten browser extension step by step. Rakuten is an awesome tool that helps you earn cashback on purchases from hundreds of stores like Amazon, Walmart, and Best Buy. It's super easy to set up and can save you money with just a few clicks. First things first, make sure you have a web browser installed on your computer or device. I'll be using Google Chrome for this tutorial, but it works similarly on Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Rakuten website. Just type Rakuten.com into your address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the site, look for the Extensions or Browser Extension section. It's usually right on the homepage or in the menu. Click on that link, and it'll take you to the page where you can download the extension. For Chrome users, this will direct you to the Chrome Web Store. Now, on the extension page, you'll see a big Add to Chrome button, or whatever your browser is. Go ahead and click it. You might get a pop-up asking for permissions. That's okay, as the extension needs access to your tabs to detect shopping sites and apply cashback. Just review and accept if you're comfortable. After it's installed, the extension icon should appear in your browser's toolbar. You may need to sign into your Rakuten account at this point. If you don't have one, don't worry, there's a quick sign-up process right there. Enter your details, and you're good to go. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, double-check that your browser is up to date. That usually fixes most problems. And just like that, you're all set to start earning cashback on your next shopping spree. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.